I'm in Playa Bonita in Gran Canaria, and I'm going to check this place out behind me. And I'm staying here. I'm not staying here. I have stayed here, and I'm just going to show you a little walk around. So it's not a room review. It's just an overview of the resort itself, what the pool looks like, the restaurant area, the seating areas, where the entertainment is, and later on in the evenings, etc. So come on, let's go and check the place out. Let's have a little walk around. Servatur Playa Bonita. So let's go and have a look around. So this is the layout of the 4 buildings with the pool, which is central. Got quite an extensive entertainment program going on. A nice big chilled pool area, and the water is slightly heated, so it's really warm. I'm going to say really warm, just warm enough to get in and have a nice swim for half an hour. It's pretty nice. And right next door is a restaurant area. A nice small little children's pool area. Loads of sun lounges going on here at the back. And there you go. The iconic round buildings. Just to the back of the hotel, you've got your outdoor entertainment for the evening. And spin you around. Loads of area here. And lots of sunbeds all laid out. All looking very new actually. And it's a beautiful day today. Look at that. That's fantastic, isn't it? Nice blue skies. And it's got your little pool bar with all your drinks inverted so you can serve yourself. Pretty cool. Loads more space around here. Pool tables and lots of space piled up for sunbathing. You've got brollies as well for a bit of shade. Well thought out. They've got step entry and a slope for easy access for disabilities, which is pretty cool, I think. Depending where you are in the day, you either get shade or sunshine depending on what room you're in. Vending machines on each building, so you can get yourself some snacks if need be. Weighing machine for bags, cash till, and tour desk. More of a little chill out area here, nice and quiet. With some sun lounges. And just beyond is a little children's playground. The gardens are really well manicured and looked after. And as you can see, some buildings are in the shade and some buildings are getting the sun, so depending on the time of day, you've got to get some shade or some sunshine. Beautifully kept gardens. And a nice canopy of palm trees just to keep the shade off. So there you have it. That's just a very quick walk through what to expect if you're staying here. As I said, I've only covered the pool area and the solarium area, showing you where the outdoor bar is, where the entertainment stuff is, and just the layout of how the place is set up. So if you like this kind of content, why not give me a thumbs up, ring the notification bell, press that subscribe, it's completely free, and you'll see more of my nonsense wandering around. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.